Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can reset your LG TV back to factory settings. This might be useful as a last resort if something keeps going wrong and you think a reset might fix it. Or maybe you're selling this TV on or giving this TV to somebody and you want to clear it of all the apps and your data on here and you want to have it back to factory settings, the same as when it came out of the box. Well, this is how you do it. You're going to go to the gear icon here on the remote control, the settings icon. And you're going to go all the way down to all settings, which are these three dots here. And we want to go all the way down to support at the bottom here. And we want to just press right on the remote control. Basically, we're using the arrows here and we're clicking in on the scroll button to enter. And if you have a look at the bottom here, there's one for reset to initial settings. Now, obviously, if something's playing up, try a software update because that might fix it. But we're going to reset to initial settings. And it says here, important, resetting will delete all of your account settings and installed apps. This action cannot be undone. Do you want to continue? And then you will go over to OK and you would click in on here. I'm not going to do that because I don't want to have to enter in my Netflix password and re-download the apps and stuff again and all the other accounts that I have on various different UK channels. So I am just going to go to cancel. But if you were to go to OK, that is how you would reset it to initial settings. And then you can give this TV away knowing that it's the same as when it came out of the box. Thanks for watching.